Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fried egg in the air fryer. Super easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. Alright, so pretty much all you need is something that will go inside of your air fryer that you can put the egg in. And I just have this little 6-inch cake pan. I love this little pan. I use it for other things as well besides cakes. And then you need some eggs. Pretty easy, right? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little pan and I'm going to give it a little spray with some cooking spray, or you can just kind of baste on some little bit of oil, some kind of cooking oil, olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, something like that. You just want the pan to be lightly coated so the eggs don't stick. And then I'm just going to take an egg here. Depending on the size of your pan, you can do a couple of eggs at a time, 2 or 3 if you want. I'm just going to show you one, and we'll just put that egg right in there. Got a little shell in there. If you ever get a shell in your egg, just use the other egg shell, just scoop it out. Really easy. Don't try to grab it with your fingers. There we go. And now, what I'm going to do is I will pull out my air fryer basket. And you can use pretty much any air fryer. This is the type, kind of the basic kind where the basket just slides out. And then I'm going to put this right in here, like so. All right, and then I'm just going to slide it back in. And now we're going to cook it. Now I'm going to set my air fryer to about 375 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius, which is right around medium heat. And then I'm going to just set the time for it's between 3 and 5 minutes is great. And mine, it takes about 3.5 to 3:45, and it winds up being perfect. And you can cook it a little bit longer if you want your egg yolk to be more done. And if you want it to be really, really runny, then just do it a little bit less. And that's all you need to do. Time went off. I'll just slide it out. And there you go. You look at it. And so you can see how there's a little bit of jiggly around that egg. So I'm just going to do it a little bit longer. I can tell it needs to be cooked. I mean, you could eat it just like that if you wanted to. I'm going to do it for another like 30 seconds. Another 30 seconds or so. So you might need to check it a couple times, once or twice, while you're doing it. All right, I'm gonna check it. Yes, perfect. So I kind of like it where you see the white starting to creep up on the top. That is great. Again, I could have used it right when I first took it out. And then what I want to do is just come in here and you can just get the egg out. You don't have to touch the cake pan if you don't want. It should come right out. Look at how easy that came out of this little cake pan, and my egg is still intact. And there we go. A perfect fried egg in the air fryer, and then just salt it and put some pepper on it and you are good to go. Really easy. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. Yeah. And so the edges are going to be a little bit crispy, really great. And look at that yolk. Super nice runny yolk. Perfect.